Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Humbly Yours, and my name is Tanja. Today I just wanted to go over my last month totals as far as my envelopes go. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I just want to make sure that I have everything that is supposed to be into my sinking fund envelopes and my challenges and other cash binder. Okay, so let me move this out the way, and we're going to start with the sinking funds. And the first one is going to be birthdays. I should have a total of $30 in here. So 20, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That is correct. And that is the correct amount that I have written down on my envelope. Next is emergency. Emergency should have $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I have that written down. That is correct. Next is gifts. Gifts should have a total of $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. My grandson, he should have a total of $36. 20, 30, 35, 36. And that is correct. August, she should have a total of $18. And I do want to say that when I counted it last, I did not put the right amount in there. But like I said, I only had 12 in there, and I ended up having to add the 6 because I want to make sure hers stay caught up too. I only stuff my grandkids' envelopes once a month. And she should have a total of 18. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, and that is correct. Egypt should only have $3. 1, 2, and 3, and she does. Home should have a total of $200. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. 2. But what you'll see on my tracker is 1,000 because I do have 800 in the bank. So this gives me a total of 1,000 for this home fund. Okay. Next is medical. And medical should have a total of $8. And what I'm looking at here to the side is all right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I hope you guys can see this because I have the hardest time trying to get my camera at the right focal point. Sam's Club should have 5. I won't be up for renewal for this until October, so I've just been adding money to it, but I'm going to increase this because I may just get the $100 deal with them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Get the best membership with them because my insurance from work, I can get my eyeglasses from them using my insurance, and I want to check out how their glasses look there. Let's see here. Vacation should have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another fund that I'm going to be bulking up pretty soon here because I plan on taking a vacation in July. I'm not going anywhere, but I would like to just have some spending money, basically. Tech should have just $2. I didn't add anything last month, but I'm going to be bulking this up here soon. I just kind of want to wait until after I move before I really start putting money into these, because moving is my priority. Retirement should have 20, 5, 10, 15, and 20, and it does. I still have quite a few years. That's why I'm not really putting a lot in here for retirement. But it's just something that I want to see if I can do that. So, all of these numbers, the amount that's in those are correct. So, let's move on to this one. Alright. So, Christmas should have a total of 100. I have to trim this paper down. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. And it's not where it should be. Actually, I'm like $75 short. And I may bulk this up too. Through challenges and stuff, I may do it that way. Savings, I should have a total of 121. 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, wait a minute. Is that right? Oh, okay, I thought I got more. 20, 40, 60, 81. Oh, 21. Okay, I can't count. Alright, 121, and that's correct. I'm not going to count the dollar, and I'm not going to count the fives. I did put money into the 26th week, but I'm going to take this out because I don't want to use this for that. Not yet. I'm not going to do this yet. My old fudge has 20, and that's correct. And then there's Black Friday. Okay. That to the side, and then my everyday cash binder. I don't even know. I think the only thing I should probably have in this one is something for personal. So I know allowance is empty. Beauty, because I went and got my nails done. Grocery. Nothing in household. Nothing in miscellaneous. I'm going to take this $25. Actually, I don't know why I put 26 because it's clearly not right. But I'm going to take this and put it in here until I decide what I'm going to do with it. I don't track the leftover envelope. So I'm just going to put the 25 in there. There's nothing in eating out. Holidays should have 35. 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is correct. And I will be stuffing my envelopes, but I still need to go to the bank. So we're just going to do this for now. And then when I go to the bank, I'll get everything set up. And then I'll post another video for a cash stuffing. Personal. Oh, I did take 20 out. So I have 20 left in here. Okay. And I just paid my rent, so my rent envelope is empty. Okay, so that is everything. And I'm going to set these right here for now. Only because I want to show you guys what I'm going to be doing for this month's budget. I bought some stickers. These stickers here are monthly budget stickers, and they are from PaperLoving. Hold on, I forgot the name of the company. Let me look it up real quick. PaperLovingMommy, and I will leave a link down below for one of her videos, or to her Etsy shop, because I bought this set off of Etsy. It came with a monthly overview along with these stickers here, sinking funds, transaction log, first paycheck, second paycheck, and you could choose, as far as like paychecks go, I get paid bi-weekly, so I only need 2. But you can choose how many you need. I think it's up to 5. Up to 4 or 5, but I want to say 5. There's a weekly check-in, there's a spending tracker, and then there's a debt tracker. But I didn't lay it out because I'm not going to be paying any debt this month. I'm concentrating on my envelopes, and like I said, I plan on moving this summer, so I really need to be worrying about that. And then so far in the month of April, oops, wrong month. So far in the month of April, and then I have these stickers as well, and I got these from Planner Anna. These are expense trackers. For me, I use let's see here, I have them here. I use orange for miscellaneous, green for grocery, gray is going to be for unbudgeted. It's called Slate. Purple is going to be used for my expenses, and blue is going to be used for eating out. And I bought like 2 green and 2 orange because I expect that I will be using these mostly. But I may change up my coatings. I can't talk. Color coded system, and I'm going to order some pink ones because I want pink to be used for my auto pay. So I will be getting some more from her soon. The ink dries perfectly on here. They do not smudge. I really like these. And that is all, I believe, for, yeah, well, let me see something real quick, because I'm just trying to be organized, and yet the more I try, the harder it is for me. We're going to go to my first paycheck, and here I already got paid, but like I said, I still need to go to the bank. So here I have listed my paycheck, what my rollover was, and what other was. So I estimated that my check was going to be $778.15, and it was $778.15. My rollover, I estimated $244, and it was $244. Other, which is my child support payment, I estimated $113, and I did get it this week, so $113, and my total came to $1,135.15 for me to budget with for this pay period, up until I get paid again on the 23rd. Here I have all my I have all the expenses, everything including envelopes is listed down here. I have it all listed here, but my bills are, the main bills are at the top, and then my envelopes follow after that. And that, what I estimated my total to be, is $559.03. Fix that, because I almost wasn't sure what that was. And 3 cents. And then, like I said, I'll go to the bank and take the money out and stuff my envelopes, and we'll go from there. But I just wanted to pop on real quick, like I said, and show you guys what I'm up to this month. And I got to get better at posting videos, I know, and I will put a definite effort into doing that. But if you like this video, please press like, and if you wish to subscribe and follow me on my budgeting journey, please hit the subscribe button. It does help my channel. Even if you just stop by to watch, I am really trying to grow my channel, and I'm trying to be more dedicated to this, because this turned out as an experiment for me, and now it's like I don't feel right if I don't come on and post a video. I don't feel right if I don't put money into my envelopes. It was very difficult for me in the beginning, but I'm getting the hang of it now, and now it's like I have to put something into my envelopes. I was discouraged at first, but then I started watching other people, and it's true. It doesn't matter what you put into your envelopes. It's just as long as you put something into them, and you'll be amazed at how fast you can get your money to build up. So, as I was saying, I'm ranting at this point. But if you would just subscribe and follow me on my budgeting journey, just hit the subscribe button and then ring the bell one more time just so that you can receive a new video, a new notification every time that I post a video. Thank you guys. Peace.